Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining Bixby Vision in 2026. We will understand what it is, how it actually works, and how you can actually use it in real life. So Bixby Vision is a smart visual search feature on Samsung phones. It uses your camera to recognize the objects, the text, places, and then gives you useful information instantly. You simply point your camera at something and Bixby Vision is going to scan it using AI. It then shows the results like product details, translations, similar items based on what it sees. Now, Bixby Vision offers several useful features like text translation, image searches, QR code scanner, and object recognition. It basically turns your camera into a smart assistant. Now, using it is also very simple. You just have to open the camera of your phone. Then when you tap on the option of more, you need to select the Bixby Vision. Now you need to point your camera at the object just like shown in this particular image. Then when you tap on the option of the screen in order to scan it, it is going to show you the results like this on your screen. Now you can use Bixby Vision to translate the menus while traveling, finding the products online from the photos, scan QR codes quickly and get info about the objects or the landmarks. So Bixby Vision works well for the basic tasks like scanning the text or QR codes. But in complex objects, the results may not always be perfect. So you should use Bixby if you want quick visual search and translation features directly from your camera. It's not essential, but it's definitely helpful in many situations. So if this video helped you understand Bixby Vision better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.